Hey everybody, we're here at 116 East High Street, Eaton, Ohio. Getting ready to put another great little ranch house on the market. 972 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, vinyl siding, newer windows here, lots of updates inside. Really cool covered front porch too. Let's go in and take a look. Just stepped in the front door here at 116 East High Street in Eaton, Ohio. First thing you notice when you walk in, giant living room. Really good sized room. Pass us through into the kitchen. This is facing back towards the front of the house where we just came in. Spin you around here and make you dizzy. To the right as you walk in would be bedroom number 1 of 3. We'll go ahead and take a peek in there real quick. Good sized room, plenty of natural light. All new carpet throughout the house, new flooring in the kitchen, bathrooms redone, all fresh paint. Really a cool layout here. So back into our big living room. Brand new kitchen, new flooring, really nice cabinets, beautiful new countertops. Loads of room in here, if I can swing around. I don't know how well you can tell with the camera. Giant kitchen. Huge eat-in area right here in the kitchen. Plenty of room for a really good sized table. Excuse the sniffles, the cold's still around. Back out, look at the big living room where we just came in. Off the kitchen are our second and third bedrooms. Let's head this way first, to the right. Bedroom number 2. Of our 3, and this is kind of cool. I don't know if you could see it in the beginning of the video. The full bath is a Jack and Jill that goes and connects through to both these bathrooms. In here again, new flooring, fresh paint. This is our dedicated laundry area, closet here in the bathroom, tub and shower. Back into bedroom number 2 we were just talking about. That walks right out into the kitchen. Another shot of the kitchen. And then the back of the house, this would kind of be the whole back of the house. Humongous. Bedroom number 3, which could or could not be the master, however you choose to set it up. Again, throughout the house, we've got new trim, flooring, paint. Nice sized closet in here. And also, there is another service door that comes in the side of the house from out here. This house does not currently have a garage, but it's got a shed outside you can see there. That's doing a real good impression of a 1-car garage. It does not have a garage, nor is not a garage, but loads of room and storage out there. That's all brand new siding on the garage. So 116 East High Street, Eaton, Ohio. 972 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, loads of updates. This property will also be available for lease purchase, if that would interest anyone. Thanks for taking the time to walk the house with me, and look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.